Alright, hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm giving you this makeup tutorial for this look today. My life, and I'm one of those people who always is okay, always a strong one. And the thing is, it's okay not always to be the strong one. It's okay to be not okay sometimes. And I had to learn that. Like, some people are always the people who always gonna be tears rolling down their face and be like, oh, I'm okay. That's me. And I had to step back from some of the things that I was doing to be like, okay, you can't pour from an empty cup. Like, you could keep going and going and going, but if you're not taking care of yourself first, then you're not going to help anybody. So I just had to do that for myself and realize that it's okay to not be able to be present for everybody, because sometimes you got to be present for yourself. Like, you have those people in the world who just look out for themselves. They don't even care about anybody else. So it's necessary that you got to look out for yourself. The thing with that is you got to be okay with being alone. I know so many people who are needing somebody around them or by them. Sometimes it's okay to rock by yourself. Be by yourself sometimes. That's when you learn the most about yourself, is when you're by yourself, because you're paying attention to what you need at that time and not what everybody else needs. That's why I say it's always important to take care of yourself. Set up time to go get a little mani-pedi. Right now I've been on a nail break, which I'm actually okay with my nail break this time, because I'm actually growing out my nails, and my nails are healthy. My friend list went from a few people to not even a few people because of personal situations, and you know, things happen. And I'm one of those people who don't really, I know things happen, so I'm not, I'm a fall back before anything, you know. So I'm one of the most understanding people that you can know. So I understand life happens. Life happens to all of us. Life in 2019, I'm not looking back. I'm just looking forward. That's gonna be my motto. No matter what happened in the past, I won't let it define my future. That's how I feel about that. I have no enemies. If people have an issue with me, it's gonna be an issue that they have with themselves, because I'm at a point in my life where if you're mad at me, go ahead and be mad. I hope you're not, but I'm not gonna take a lot of time to pull you over to my side to show you that I was that genuine person. I'm just not gonna do that. Not anymore. I used to do it. I used to be like, oh no, I don't want them to view me as that. But no, life is too short. And through what I just went through, I'm even noticing life is even shorter than I thought it was. And that's scary. Like, it's like something that I don't even want to think about, but you have to think about these things. You have to feel these things. You have to go through these things, because it's necessary. I'm gonna look through, because you gotta grow. You have to grow. I'm forever evolving. In my matte book, I'm gonna go ahead and create like a little ombre look. Or I might do like a pink, maybe like a pink and yellow ombre look with a little white on the inside. We'll see. And then do like a nude lip or something like that. Yeah, we'll see. Here, I'm just gonna go ahead and put that all over our lid, and that's gonna go right there in our crease. And I'm lightly sweeping it. But yeah, you gotta take care of y'all first. You can't pour from no empty cup. And that's what I had to learn. Because I wasn't trying to pour from an empty cup. It's just, you can't spread yourself too thin. And some things I be just looking like did I really have to put myself through that situations? Sometimes we bring on situations in our own lives that we don't even know. Oh yeah, that's pretty. That's really pretty. And my little eyeshadows be making me have a better day. Like, I really love makeup. Like, that is so pretty. So now that that's on, I want to go ahead and put that yellow. Yeah, that's pretty. Yeah, I really like that. So, but sometimes y'all gotta start looking at your own selves and being like, am I emotionally available to even talk to people on the phone? And I don't mean to, say it like that, but some people can be so draining, like so draining, and not even intentionally. They could be like not even knowing that they're doing it, and you could easily be that person. You just gotta know if you're the toxic people in people's lives, and you'll know. And if you know you didn't do nothing to them, guess what? Forget them. But yeah, so that's why I love makeup is so therapeutic to me. It makes me happy. And of course you be looking slayed when you done. This year I'm gonna do more walking than talking, if that makes sense. Like, people will be able to see what I have on my board. I'm not talking to nobody this year about nothing on what I'm doing. I'm just doing it, if God's will. Because what people try to do is beat you. You'll tell them something and they'll try to beat you to something you didn't tell them. Not knowing that you be like, I told you about this. Like, you didn't tell me about this, I told you. But that's why I said it's not even about, these days it's not even about longevity of a friendship or anything like that. It's just the world we live in, and right now I'm not connected with the right people. So that doesn't mean it's not genuine people out there like me. It is. We didn't cross each other's paths yet. Yeah, let's do that one. And I don't even mean it in a bad way. I mean it in a way of, go look out for you. Because trust me when I say they looking out for them. And then so many people these days are so into, oh, I gotta post it for people to believe it. Who cares? Like, that's pretty. So who cares? Let them think whatever. Let them do whatever, you know? Sometimes it's not even worth it. It feels so soft and like so buttery. It just feels good. I don't know. But let me know what y'all do for like time alone, or just your me time. Like, I journal. What else do I do? I spend time like meditating, doing my journaling. Like, what else do y'all do? But that's why I hear so many people saying that they're solo dolo, and I'm like, what's going on? Like, I know I'm having look at that. Like that, and I gotta be here for Jackie Way. Be at the same place that I was this last year. I don't want to be at that place no more. And it's not even about them. It be about you. And they up here thinking it's about them. It has nothing to do with you. It be all about what you're going through. But y'all start practicing with me. Can I? No. Do you know? Can I? No. And watch how many people disappear. Y'all think I'm playing too. And I'm not saying that to be like I said, I'm not saying this to be mean. I'm just saying watch how many people disappear when you start taking care of you. When you start putting you first. Like I said, become emotionally unavailable and see how many people that you have. You're not gonna have all them people that were there before. Trust me. If it's necessary, move out the way. That's cute. Okay. All-nighter.